We are doing our fifth chapter, solids, liquids and gases. In last video, I explained what is matter and three states of matter, solid, liquid and gases. Today we will learn change of state of matter. There are three states, solid, liquid and gases. All the three states of matter are interchangeable. Interchangeable means solid can be changed into liquid. जो liquid है उसे change कर सकते हैं हम गैस में, and gas can be changed in the liquid. And how they will change? They will change by heating or cooling. Now, when a solid is heated, the molecule become less closely and it becomes a liquid. And this process is called melting. The process by which a solid change into liquid on heating is known as melting. For example, ice cube, जो आपकी बर्फ होती है, आइस होती है, when we heat the ice it become liquid, water. Next one, the process by which a liquid change into gas on heating is called evaporation. When we heat the liquid state of water, then the water will change into the steam, and steam is a gas, and this process is evaporation. The third one is the process by which a gas changes into a liquid on cooling is called condensation. For example, when steam is cooled, it changes into droplets of water. Now you can see in this image, first one is ice. Ice is changed into liquid on heating. When we heat the liquid, it change into steam or gas. When we cool the gas in back direction, it change into liquid. When we cool the liquid, it change into ice, solid form. There are all three state of matter, solid, liquid and gas. The next topic is solute, solvent and solution. Okay, when you take a glass of water and if we add a spoon of sugar or salt, it will dissolve in water. When we take a spoon of sugar or a salt and when we dissolve in the glass of water, it will be dissolved. Means the sugar or salt is your solute and the water in which it dissolved is the solvent, and the liquid formed after the dissolved in water is the solution. फर्स्ट वी हैव लिक्विड वाटर. वाटर में हमने क्या किया, एक स्पून सॉल्ट का डाल दिया या शुगर का ऐड कर दिया उसमें. जब हमने उसको मिक्स किया तो वो हमारे पास एक सॉल्यूशन तैयार हो गया. और इस केस में जो शुगर है आपका वो है सॉल्यूट और वाटर है सॉल्वेंट. यू कैन सी सॉल्यूट प्लस सॉल्वेंट इज इक्वल टू सॉल्यूशन. सॉल्यूट क्या है, शुगर. सॉल्वेंट क्या है, वाटर. नाउ वी हैव वर्ड्स टू लर्न. व्हाट इज मैटर? एनीथिंग दैट हैज़ मास एंड वॉल्यूम. व्हाट इज मास? द अमाउंट ऑफ मैटर इन एन ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ वॉल्यूम. Volume is the amount of space occupied by a substance. Molecules. Molecules are very tiny particle that makes up matter. Molecules cannot be seen by our eyes, but matter we can see with our eyes. Molecules are very tiny particle. Then next is solute. अ सब्सटेंस दैट डिज़ोल्व इन लिक्विड टू फॉर्म अ सॉल्यूशन। अब सब्सटेंस क्या था हमारे पास, हमने शुगर लिया था या सॉल्ट लिया था। सॉल्वेंट अ लिक्विड इन विच अ सॉल्यूट कैन डिज़ोल्व। अब हमने सॉल्यूट क्या लिया था, शुगर, और हमने किस में डिज़ोल्व किया था, वाटर में, तो हमारा सॉल्वेंट है वाटर। द लास्ट वन इज सॉल्यूशन। सॉल्यूशन इज़ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ सॉल्यूट डिज़ोल्व इन द सॉल्वेंट। जब हमने शुगर और वाटर को ऐड कर दिया तो हमारा क्या प्रिपेयर हो गया, एक सॉल्यूशन। अ मिक्सचर ऑफ सॉल्यूट डिज़ोल्व्ड इन अ सॉल्वेंट।